Hello my friends and welcome back. In this section we'll start learning about recycler views. It's a very important concept in Android. I want from you to focus with me, write notes down and follow my step-by-step coding tutorials in order to understand and master recycler views. Recycler view makes it easy to efficiently display large sets of data. You supply the data and define how each item looks, and the recycler view library dynamically creates the elements when they are needed. As the name implies, RecyclerView recycles those individual elements. When an item scrolls off the screen, RecyclerView doesn't destroy its view. Instead, RecyclerView reuses the view for new items that have scrolled on screen. For example, if we scroll down the list, the first item will be scrolled out of the screen. Then this layout instance will be placed in the queue, preparing 3 text views to the left and 1 text view to the right and 1 image view to the right. So we have 4 views. Then this layout instance will be filled with the new content and scrolls in again and will be displayed to the new item that we scrolled down to it. Another example, in this recycler view, if we scroll down 2 items, so for example I scrolled down to item number 6 and item number 7, item number 1 and item number 0 will be cleared from the memory to reduce memory consumption. RecyclerView improves performance and your app's responsiveness, and it reduces power consumption. So I want from you to understand that RecyclerView improves performance by recycling the existing layouts and the views. So for example, this is the recycler view. The user scroll up. This is a past view. It will be thrown. Then it will be recycle the view and bind data to the new view to be displayed here. To create a recycler view, there are many steps we need to follow. I want from you to write these steps down or download this presentation and save it in order to create recycler views later on. The first element we need to create is the item layout, an XML layout representing the layout of a single item in the recycler view. Then we create the recycler view in an activity and initialize it. The third step is to create the model class, and the model class represents the data class that acts as a structure for holding the information for every item of recycler view. The fourth step is the adapter class. This class will hold all methods dealing with recycler view implementation, like creating, binding, and determining the count of elements. And we worked with the adapters and custom adapters in the previous section, so please refer to the adapters section. The ViewHolder holds the references to the views within each item's layout, optimizing view lookups.